Hello YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette coming to you with another video. I wanted to share with you my green onions that I grew in my kitchen window after I cut them down. My daughter gave me this idea. So after she used her onions like I did, and see, that's where the cut mark is. That's where I used them before. But this is how much has grown from that cut mark. So I've got all of these new green onions that I can use. Yes, I grew them in my kitchen window, but I wanted to bring them on the porch so I can show you. Every few days I change the water. You can see I've got some nice roots down there. See? Well, and even this one, I think, didn't even have any roots on it at all, and it has roots now, so I'll be cutting them down again for another salad in a day or so, and then I will start all over. But it's a nice way to recycle your vegetables. Alright, so oh yeah, and did I tell you that to change your water every few days? Change your water every few days. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's enough, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe. Even if you didn't subscribe, because I've got more videos coming. So subscribe to my channel, press the like button, and that button up there on the right hand corner, that little bell, press that button, and so when I download or upload videos, you'll be the first to know. Okay? Oh, by the way, yep, that's my harvest from my porch veggies, and I got them last night, but I forgot them on the porch. So my basil got a little wilted as well as my parsley, but all I have to do is put them in some cool water and they will sprout right back up. And those are my tomatoes and my peppers and stuff. Yeah, those peppers I believe are really hot, so I'm gonna try them anyway. And my bell peppers. And my plant is doing really well over there, so I'll be getting more veggies soon. Alright, God bless you all and take care. Until next time, bye bye.